Go to nexustrade.io/chat and then create a free account. Type in a strategy like this. Include all your favorite stocks. Usually the stocks that are good are blue chip FANG tech stocks, stocks like Berkshire Hathaway, and all the evil companies that you can think of. So Tesla, BlackRock, anybody that you think just owns a bunch of shit, type in those stocks and put in some simple strategies. These are the ones that I started out with. The AI will literally have a conversation with you to clarify what you mean. So in this case, it said, how close are you thinking? For example, would you like the current price to be within the 5% of its 52-week low? And I said, hell yeah, I would. So then the AI created this trading strategy. A strategy is just a set of rules for when to buy and sell stocks. So for this, the strategy is a rebalance strategy that takes all the stocks I mentioned and it will filter out any stocks that don't meet these conditions. Then it automatically tests your strategy on past data. So how I have my settings is I'll always have it set for this fixed period of time, December 31st, 2021 to March 24th, 2024, because that gives me about a year from the end date to now to do a little bit of a forward test. Make sure the strategy still holds up on unseen data. You can customize these dates to whatever you want. After you have the rules you like, I then do a back test again from the end date of the back test config here. I do from the end date to now. This helps me reduce look ahead bias. It helps me think whether or not I actually created a decent strategy. And in this case, the back test did amazing. Look at this. It literally tripled the S&P 500's return. So if you held the S&P 500 for the past year, you would have earned 10.5%. But if you held this strategy instead, you would have had 30%. So now we're confident in our strategy. We're gonna want to actually not just test it on past data, we want to test it right now and from here on out and see how it actually performs. So what I'm gonna do is click select portfolio. I'm gonna create a new paper trading portfolio. With paper trading, we don't risk any actual money. So there's no risk to deploying a paper trading strategy like this. I'm gonna give it OpenAI model name like. I'm gonna call it TikTok